wait, don't, please don't click stop. Wait for just a few seconds, all right? I got something I want to ask you. Something I really, really, really need you to do, okay? There's going to be a link up there. Click on it. Watch it. Just a little bit, okay? Preferably the whole thing, okay? I want to take and start doing some good things. And I'm standing outside getting ate up by mosquitoes right now because guess what? I need your help. I can only do so much. I know my content isn't the greatest for the dive videos. Remember, diving, first is the dive. Second is your buddy. Third, rescue diver. Everybody else around you. Fourth, everything else that's going on. Okay, I have to put the recording videos down low. And I'm trying to get better. I'm trying to figure things out. It takes time. My idea, however, to take and help other people is very, very, very real. If you guys help me get this channel grown, I'm going to make things better. I'm going to make life better for some people out there. And it's going to make life better for me too. I'm a wounded healer. I was mentally, physically, and sexually abused as a child. I have been through things that can be considered unimaginable. I lost a son who was born 3 months premature and died at 9 days old. My wife passed away February 28th of 2019 after a little over 10 years together. And I tried to revive her. I started CPR and I broke her breastbone. I felt my hands hurt the woman I loved. There's a lot that went on up there. There's still a lot going on. But one thing that I know that I can do is I can learn something that I really love and I can teach. I would appreciate your help doing it. Okay, so click that link, watch the video. If you don't believe me, it's fine. If you do believe me, please like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff, okay? Please. All right. Thanks very much. I'm hoping that you enjoyed the video and you will do those things for me. All right. I'm out of here in 2.5 minutes.